Dear friends, Viktor Frankl wrote a wonderful book called A Man's Search for Meaning. In that, he makes a very important statement. He says, when a person cannot find a deep sense of meaning, purpose in their life, they distract themselves with pleasure. I repeat, when a person does not find a deep sense of meaning, purpose in their life, they distract themselves with pleasure. The question is not the distraction towards pleasure, friends. That's easy. The important point is our focus on finding purpose in life, finding meaning in life, finding a nobler thought in life which you pursue, which you are inspired by. So, the entire focus should be for an individual to find a purpose in life, to find a meaning in life. And once you find a purposeful meaning to your life, you will not get distracted with pleasure. Pleasure is there. You may even go through pleasure, but you will never be distracted by pleasure. You will never be overrun by pleasure. So, therefore, our interest and our effort should be to find a nobler purpose, to find a divine meaning to our life. As human beings, we are endowed with Purushartha, the potential of choice, and the Buddhi, the intellect to think, reflect, and make proper choices. Therefore, friends, remember, if you do not have a clear purpose, a divine meaning to your life, you will get distracted with pleasure. Whenever you get distracted with pleasure, just reflect. Have I lost my focus? Do I have a proper purpose in life? Focus on it. Reflect on it. And then bring back your thought process to the purpose in life, the meaning to life. And then you will not be distracted by pleasure. And once you get distracted by pleasure, it's very difficult to retrieve yourself from that process of being dependent on an object of pleasure for your benevolence. So think about it. It is not easy, but it is something to be practiced. Therefore, find a purpose, find a meaning, pursue it, and you will be happy that you were doing it in the right way. Thank you. Remember this purpose.